Guys, this is my dream right here. This is my absolute... I love RC airplanes. Can I just say that? What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna fly a plane that I've had for well over a year. Still have not flown. I'm a little nervous, but should be all right. It could end awesome or it can end in disaster. All right, guys, this is the plane we're talking about here. It is a E-Flite UMX Pitts. By the way, Ryan is here with me. He just had an incredible save on his airplane. You'll see that in the fun hobby day video that will be coming out soon. Oh boy, this runs on 3S, guys. It's gonna be insane. This thing's gonna be insane, dude.
It's nuts.
It's gonna be insane.
It's tiny. It's a thick boy though. I mean, I didn't realize how big the nose was.
But I bet you it's gonna be super smooth. His adrenaline is super high, guys. I don't know when that video is gonna come out.
Dude,
but it's
I didn't
awesome.
know what happened. That was insane. That was insane.
Why? What do you mean mine failed, bro? I literally did this earlier without any issues, so what's the problem? Alright guys, I couldn't get the profile I set up to bind to the controller, so we're going on the default, and hopefully default is enough. Oh,
Are you nervous?
a little bit. I'm just gonna taxi it around a little bit.
Yeah, get used to it. Steerable nose wheel. Anyone who's ever flown a micro tail dragger, or any tail dragger, knows that a steerable nose wheel is basically a necessity.
Oh! Ah, the wind. Alright, we're gonna skip that, and we're just gonna go up, dude. Because, whatever, right? Here we go. Holy crap, that's snappy.
You just took off with the wind.
Dude, there's like barely any rudder authority on this thing.
Oh, it's a dream.
God, my adrenaline is pumping. I don't know about landing this, dude.
Well, when you land, you're gonna definitely want to land left to right. Just keep it high.
And here is the adrenaline junkie in me, immediately taking risks. Oh, that's gonna be butter to land, dude.
Oh, it's got tons of power.
Wow. I got barely any rudder though, dude. It's all aileron on this thing. I'm also in safe, so it's probably not giving me as much authority as I'd like. I know you probably can't see it all on this camera, but I'm gonna try my best.
Yeah, a little tailwind. It's a little pisser, man.
For real.
That thing's got tons of power.
All right, we're gonna do a low pass with the wind. All right, ready?
Oh, this thing is great.
Ready, full speed. Woo! Whoa! Oh boy! All right.
Down the left roll, right?
Wow.
Try and give it a loop. Yeah.
right, I got safe off, getting a little more comfortable. Yeah, 3S is a powerhouse, dude. Guys, this is my dream right here. This is my absolute, I love RC airplanes. Can I just say that? Oh, it's a bullet, dude. It's a bullet, bro. All right, we're flying upside down, baby. All right, we're going safe off, full vertical. Woo. All right, we're coming in for a landing. I'm coming in. We got 5 minutes on the clock. Yeah, I saw that. I think it came off the wheel canopy thingy, I think. Yeah, it's off the wheel. These things always fall off. Well, there you have it, guys. This is the E-Flite UMX Pits 3S from Horizon Hobby. Absolute animal in the sky. We got courage. We took off safe. We did some rolls. We did some loops. That was awesome. It came back down in one piece. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, guys, because that was amazingly fun. And yeah, stay tuned for the fun hobby day video that will be coming soon. I flew another plane in it as well. I'm probably going to take that up right now. And I'll see you in the next video. Later.